Hi guys, it's Stu here from 3B, and just a quick notice. You may have noticed, you may have seen that indeed there is a new update that just appeared just the other day, 20.7 for the KS series of TVs. So just so you know, I do plan on doing a review of that over this week. I know that I've not been doing so many videos, but there's a good reason for that. I've got a new contract which has me working around about 40 to 50 hours a week, so it's kind of stopped me from doing a lot of videos, but I will try and make time to do the sort of comparative review and everything of 12.20.7, which we can see right here. I will just check, that's for the UK. I will just check that we're getting the same for the US. We'll see, but usually it tends to be relatively quick for both. So yeah, we have 12.20.6 for the US too, so that's all good. Everyone's happy. So I'll do a comparative review in the next few days. Give me some time to do that because I am doing another contract too, which is eating up all my time so far. So I've not forgotten about you guys. I am still here, I am still doing things, but yeah, just not so much, unfortunately. But I am here and I will do this comparative review in the next few days. Okay, have a great weekend and I'll see you soon.